Do you ever wonder why some Etsy shops seem to get endless views and constant sales, why yours struggles despite great products and beautiful photos? Chances are the problem lies not in your products, but in how customers find them, or rather how they don't find them. It all comes down to the keywords you are using. If you are stuck using broad keywords like jewelry or home decor, your products will quickly vanish among millions of competitors. In this comprehensive guide, I will show you exactly why long-tail keywords, specific detailed search phrases, are critical for your Etsy success. You will learn precisely how to find the best long-tail keywords, how to use them effectively in your listings, and how real sellers have used these strategies to transform their shops. Long-tail keywords are highly specific phrases typically consisting of 3 or more words. Unlike general terms like bracelet or candles, these keywords clearly describe your item in detail, like handmade rose gold charm bracelet for bridesmaids, or organic soy lavender aromatherapy candle. These keywords allow your products to appear in searches conducted by highly targeted buyers who know exactly what they are looking for. For example, consider a buyer looking for a handmade birthday gift. If they type bracelet, they will get millions of results, most of which are irrelevant to their needs. But if they search for personalized birthstone charm bracelet gift, they find highly specific listings that match exactly what they want. This dramatically improves the chance of conversion. Additionally, long-tail keywords work well with Etsy's algorithm, which prioritizes relevance and buyer intent. Etsy favors listings with descriptive, detailed keywords because they closely align with customer searches, leading to higher engagement, more clicks, and ultimately more sales. As a result, sellers who optimize their listing with long-tail keywords often find their products ranking higher in Etsy search results. Why long-tail keywords are essential for Etsy success? Lower competition means higher visibility. When you use broad keywords like earrings or home decor, you are competing against millions of other Etsy listings. However, using detailed long-tail phrases significantly narrows the competition. For example, earrings might have millions of competing listings, but handmade gold hoop earrings for sensitive ears dramatically reduces the number of competitors, making it much easier to rank high in search results. Real example. An Etsy seller specializing in farmhouse decor initially used generic keywords like wall art. After researching, she switched her main keyword to oversized farmhouse wall clock. Competition dropped dramatically, visibility increased, and her sales skyrocketed because customers found exactly what they were looking for. Increased buyer intent means more sales. Detailed keywords attract buyers ready to purchase immediately. Shoppers using specific keywords have clear intentions and often already know what they want. They are not just browsing, they are ready to buy. Real-life example. A jewelry seller changed her keyword from necklace to personalized gold initial necklace for moms. Within weeks, she experienced significantly more targeted traffic and higher sales conversions because shoppers arriving at her listing had clear purchase intent. How to find powerful long-tail keywords for Etsy? Step 1. Start with brainstorming. Think like your customer. What exact phrases would someone use when searching for your product? If you sell handmade candles, customers might search for handmade organic soy candles or personalized scented candles for gifts. To expand this further, consider different customer motivations. Are they looking for a gift? A candle for relaxation? A natural product for sensitive skin? Adjusting your keywords to fit these specific needs can make a big difference. For example, an eco-friendly lavender soy candle for stress relief or a customized holiday scented candle gift box might attract niche buyers looking for a unique experience. Additionally, think about the occasions where customers buy your product. Seasonal keywords like Christmas cinnamon spice candle gift or Mother's Day candle can improve your ranking during key shopping periods. Researching past trends and adapting your listings accordingly will help maintain consistent visibility year-round. Step 2. Utilize Etsy's search bar. Use Etsy's own search bar to your advantage. Start typing a general keyword and observe the auto suggestions. These suggestions show actual phrases real buyers frequently search. Etsy's search autocomplete is built using a real-time customer search behavior, meaning it reflects what people are actively looking for at that moment. For example, if you sell handmade jewelry, typing gold necklace might show suggestions like gold necklace for mom, gold layer necklace minimalist, or custom birthstone gold necklace. These suggested terms highlight not only what's popular but also give insight into buyers' intent. Additionally, use variations of product terms to explore different angles. If you sell candles, try soy candle, scented candle gift, or organic candle to discover even more specific keyword phrases that buyers commonly use. Take note of these suggestions and incorporate them naturally into your listings to improve your chances of appearing in top search results. Step 3. Leverage Etsy SEO tools. Specialized Etsy SEO tools like eRank and Marmalade offer invaluable keyword insights. These tools provide search volumes, keyword trends, and competition levels, helping you identify perfect keywords, highly searched yet less competitive. eRank provides a keyword difficulty score, showing how competitive a term is compared to others in its category. For example, a keyword like silver necklace might have high search volume but also extreme competition, whereas stamped silver necklace may have lower competition. This makes eRank a fantastic result for discovering less saturated keywords that still have strong buyer intent. Marmalade, on the other hand, provides deep analytics on keyword engagement, helping you gauge customer interest beyond just search volume. It also provides predictive data, estimating future keyword trends based on historical search patterns. This allows sellers to prepare in advance for upcoming seasonal trends or changes in demand. Both tools also offer competitor analysis features, helping you see which keywords successful shops in your niche are using. By studying high-performing listings, you can refine your own keyword strategy and adopt terms that have already proven to drive traffic and sales. If a top competitor is ranking highly for dainty gold charm bracelet, you can modify your listing to include a similar phrase while keeping it unique to your brand, such as personalized dainty gold charm bracelet for bridesmaids. Using eRank, a candle seller found organic eucalyptus soy candle gift had a high search volume but low competition. She optimized her listings accordingly, resulting in immediate increases in visibility and sales. Step 4. Cross-check with Google Trends and Keyword Planner. Google Trends and Google Keyword Planner provide insights into broader search trends and emerging keywords, helping you stay ahead of market demand. These tools allow sellers to analyze keyword popularity over time and identify rising trends before they become oversaturated. Google Trends shows historical data and seasonality patterns, helping Etsy sellers plan for peak shopping seasons. For example, searches for Christmas gift ideas spike in October and November, while personalized graduation gifts peak in April and May. By anticipating these trends, sellers can optimize their listings well in advance. Google Keyword Planner provides estimated search volume and competition levels for specific terms. If a seller is debating between handmade gold bracelet and custom gold charm bracelet. This tool can show which phrase has higher monthly searches and lower competition, allowing for a more strategic keyword choice. Additionally, it offers keyword suggestions that may not have been considered, opening opportunities for new product angles and marketing strategies. By combining Etsy's internal keyword tools with external resources like Google Trends and keyword planners, sellers can create a well-rounded SEO strategy that attracts organic traffic from multiple sources, giving them an edge over competitors who rely solely on Etsy search data. Proper placement is essential. Titles. Place your main keyword clearly at the start of your title. For example, personalized silver birthstone necklace gift for mom. Descriptions. Incorporate your main keywords naturally into the first two sentences of your description, clearly highlighting your product's unique features and uses. Tags. Use all 13 available tags. Every tag should be a unique, detailed, long-tail keyword phrase such as minimalist sterling silver ring gift. Practical strategies to implement immediately. Regularly update your keyword strategy based on analytics and trends to ensure that your listings remain optimized for changing search behaviors. Monitor Etsy analytics, e-ranks, and Marmarly to track keyword performance, identifying which terms bring in the most traffic and conversions. Consider updating seasonal keywords ahead of peak shopping periods, such as personalized Christmas gift in October or custom Mother's Day jewelry in March. Additionally, keep an eye on emerging trends in your niche by researching competitor listings and observing which keywords are gaining popularity. Making continuous improvements to your keyword strategy will help maintain and improve your shop's visibility over time. Actively test and refine keywords based on customer feedback. Continually monitor successful competitors' keywords using Etsy-specific SEO tools. Your next step to Etsy SEO mastery? Start today by researching and choosing detailed, specific keywords. Optimize your listings by placing these keywords clearly in titles, descriptions, and tags. Regular keyword updates and adjustments based on analytics will keep your shop thriving and competitive long-term. By consistently applying these powerful strategies, you will significantly boost your visibility, attract the right buyers, and greatly increase your Etsy sales. Ready to take your Etsy shop to the next level? Discover even more powerful Etsy SEO strategies, real-life success stories, and actionable step-by-step guides on my YouTube channel. Whether you are struggling with visibility, keyword optimization or converting views into sales, my in-depth tutorials will give you the tools and knowledge to transform your Etsy shop into a thriving business. Don't miss out, subscribe to my channel now and never miss an Etsy SEO tip. Hit the notification bell so you are always updated with the latest strategies to grow your shop and boost your sales.